Today on Mike Attempts, installing a bidet toilet seat. Supposedly, 80% of the world uses bidets, so today, I guess I'm joining the majority. I started by turning off the water and draining the tank. With a container below to catch the remaining water, I removed the two nuts securing the water line. I loosely threaded on the included T-connector. I'll tighten it after I figure out the best angle for the bidet line. Next, I'll unscrew the plastic nuts and remove the old toilet seat. The manual recommends wetting these expanding seat anchors for easier insertion. It's hard to see, but the mounting bracket is labeled with front and back. These metal guides allow multiple configurations for various types of toilets. The instructions say the guide should be 3/4 of an inch from the front of the bracket, so that would put them directly in the middle. Be sure the mounting bracket is centered on the toilet and tighten the screws. They're long, and it takes a while to fully expand the rubber anchors. When they're nice and tight, the anchors should look like this. The seat should now slide on and lock with a click. I installed a new outlet that's tied into our other GFCI protected bathroom outlets. A tool like this is invaluable for a DIYer. Not only do the lights tell you if it's wired correctly, but there's also a button to test the GFCI. Now I've got a safe outlet to plug in my bidet seat. Once I had the bidet port facing the way I wanted, I hand tightened all three connections. This is the power cord, and this is the water line going to the bidet. I was unable to use my original water line, so I had to buy a flexible hose. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. This model has a lot of features, most of which I'll discuss at the end of the video. On the back, you can adjust the temperature of the water, the dryer, and the heated seat. It also comes with a bracket that you can mount on the wall to hold the remote. To keep from accidentally spraying water everywhere, there must be weight on the seat to activate the bidet. Seems to be functioning properly. Alright, are you ready to watch me try it out? Just kidding. After 2 weeks with the bidet, I really like it. Sure, it took a couple days to get used to, but that's not a surprise. Up until very recently, I had been using the toilet the same way my whole life. The most important thing I learned is that it takes the spray longer to get you completely clean than I first assumed. I'm not saying it takes a long time, I just thought it would only take a few seconds. With this model, settings can be customized for 2 users. You can adjust the pressure and position of the wand. Once you get it dialed in, oscillation is maybe the best feature, for obvious reasons. Even though the dryer is much more effective than I thought it would be, I think I'd be fine without it. For me, it's faster to just use a few squares of toilet paper to dry off. My wife, on the other hand, is usually in no hurry to come out of the bathroom, so she doesn't mind sitting there a couple extra minutes to use the dryer. Please see the description below for even more details, as well as links to the bidet and the parts I used. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.